Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix camera black screen or blurry photos issue on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. If you're expressing a black screen or blurry photos issue on your iPhone 15 series, so you can follow some troubleshooting steps to try and resolve the problem. First of all, you have to clean the camera lens and cover. Make sure the camera lens is clean and free of some jets or dirt. Use a microfiber cloth or lens cleaning solution to gently clean the lens. After this, check if there is a case or cover on your iPhone that might be obstructing the camera lens. Remove it and see if the issue persists or not. After this, and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to restart your iPhone. Sometimes software glitches can cause camera issues. Start your iPhone by going to settings, scroll down and tap on general. Again scroll down, tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, you're still facing the same issue, then you have to update your iOS version. Insecure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Outdated software can sometimes cause camera problems. Go to settings, tap on general, tap on software update to check for update and to check for updates. If there is any update available for your iPhone 15, then you have to update your iPhone 15 to the latest iOS version. After this and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to close camera app. Close the camera app and any other app by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. Like open your camera app and then close it and try reopening it again and see if your issue solves or not. If it still doesn't solve, then you have to try last solution. Reset all settings. For doing this, simply tap on your settings, then scroll down and tap on general. Again scroll down, tap on shutdown or tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and try to fix your issue. If the issue continues to persist after trying these steps, it's initially to reach out to Apple support or visit an Apple store for professional assistance, as it may indicate a more significant problem that requires repair or replacement. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.